Hey guys, I'm Akash and welcome to Pabbly. So the topic for today's video is send Shopify order notification on WhatsApp. Now suppose guys you are a Shopify store owner and you want every time a customer purchases a product from your Shopify store, you want to send them a WhatsApp message regarding the order. Now you have two ways to do so. First one is manual process that you manually get the details of every order you receive on Shopify, manually compose a WhatsApp message and send to that customer. But this manual process is very much repetitive and time consuming if you are receiving hundreds of orders on a daily basis. So to solve this problem, in this video, I came up with a second way, that is to use an automation. Now you must be thinking what kind of automation. So an automation guys by which whenever we will receive a new order in our Shopify store, automatically a WhatsApp message will be sent to that very same customer who placed an order. Interesting guys. Now you must be thinking how we are going to do this. So to make this happen, we will be using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration software. Now what is the actual step-by-step guide to set up this automation and how you can set up this automation by yourself? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you just have to go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, click on sign in. So after reaching our dashboard, click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I'll name my workflow as Shopify to WhatsApp. Shopify to WhatsApp and click on create. After that, we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So basically our idea here is first we have to get the details, get the data of new orders which we are receiving on our Shopify store inside Pabbly Connect. And after that, we will be using Pabbly Connect to send those details to WhatsApp Cloud API. And using WhatsApp Cloud API, we will send WhatsApp message as a confirmation to that very same customer. So here in trigger window in choose app, first we have to select Shopify. Shopify it is. After that, in trigger event, we have to select new order. So this is new order, just select it. So after selecting our trigger event, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now using this webhook URL, we will connect Shopify and Pabbly Connect. Now what are the steps to use this webhook URL to set up the connection? To know this, you can refer to the help text given below. So just copy this webhook URL from Pabbly Connect guys. Go to the dashboard of your Shopify account and on the left side we can see settings. Click on settings. After that, on the left side, we can see there are various options. Out of all these, click on notifications. And after reaching to the notification settings, just scroll down till you see webhooks. So we will scroll down. We can see that this is an option named as webhooks. So guys, here we have to add the webhook URL. Click on create webhook. After clicking on create webhook, a dialog box appears in front of us. And in this dialog box, first it is asking us event. And in the drop down below, we can see that there are multiple events over here. So out of all these events, we will select order creation. After selecting the event, it is asking us format. So the format will be JSON. And in the URL section, we have to paste the very same webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So just click here and paste the webhook URL. After that, it is asking us webhook API version. So from the drop down, we will see latest version and click on save. Now we can see that we have successfully connected Pabbly Connect with our Shopify store. Now every time we will receive a new order on our Shopify store, automatically the data of that very same order will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So let's just do this. We will go to our Shopify store. Just click on this. And here we will place an order. Go to catalog section. Okay, so just for an example, we have a product named as fly repellent fan. Just select this product and I'll buy it. Buy it now. Now here we have to enter the details of the customer. For example, an email address, so I'll enter the details of a dummy customer. And here, after entering all the details of the customer, we have to enter the phone number of the customer. This will be the very same phone number, guys, on which we will send the WhatsApp message as a confirmation. So let me enter. So this is the phone number. Let's click on continue to shopping. Click on continue to payment. And at this payment page, I'll enter a test card detail to make the payment. Pay now. And yes guys, now we can see that we have successfully received an order on our Shopify store by the name of a customer, Devin Parker. This is the email address, this is the address of the customer, and this is the phone number. So because we have connected Shopify and Pabbly Connect using a webhook URL, guys, the details or the data of this very same order will be also captured inside Pabbly Connect. So let's get back to Pabbly Connect. And yes guys, we can see that here in trigger window, we have received some response over here. And this is the response of that very same order, very same test order which we have placed just now. So we have the email address of that very same customer, parkerdevin289@gmail.com. We have the amount of for which the customer made the payment, the product amount of product which the customer bought just now. After that, guys, we will scroll down and we will find the other details regarding the customer as well as the order. So let's scroll down. And yes, here we have the name of the customer, first name, last name, the address, as well as the phone number. So using these details, we will basically send WhatsApp message to this very same number of the customer. So guys, here now we want to add a expected date of delivery of the product as well. So whatever the product the customer has ordered, we want to send an expected date of delivery with the WhatsApp message. And for example, the expected date of delivery will be after 4 days of the actual order date. So basically, on whatever date we receive this order, we have to actually get the date 4 days after that actual order date. Now to do so in our workflow, we will scroll down and come to our action window. And here in choose app, we will search for date time formatter by Pabbly. So after selecting date time formatter, here in action event, we have to select modify current date and click on connect. After clicking on connect, it is asking us date format. So in the drop down below, we can see various formats are available of dates. Out of which, for example, I will select this format day, month and year. So I'll select this. And then it is also asking us for the time zone. So I am here in India, so I'll select the time zone of India, Asia, Kolkata. After that, it is asking us operation, whether we want to add or subtract number of days in the current date, whatever date on current date means whatever date on which we receive the order. So here in operations, we basically want to add 4 days and get the date after 4 days. So in operation, we will select day. We will select add. If you want, you can also select subtract or something like that according to your use case. Then it is asking us units. So in the drop down below, we can see that we have days, hours, minutes. So either we want to add some minutes or some hours or some days in our current date. So we want to add 4 days. So we will select days. And at last, it is asking us value that how many days we want to add. So we will enter 4 over here and simply click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, we have received a date over here that is 3rd of July 2022. The date today is, as I'm recording this video, is 29th of June. And the date after 4 days will be 3rd of July. So on 29th of June, we have received the order on our Shopify store and we are sending 3rd of July, the date after 4 days, as an expected delivery date to this customer with the WhatsApp message. This is not mandatory, guys. If you want, you can avoid this field or sending expected delivery date instantly on WhatsApp as well. So after getting all this data, we have successfully completed the step 1 of setting up this automation. We have connected our Shopify store with Pabbly Connect using a webhook URL, and we have also received the details or the data of a test order on our Shopify store inside Pabbly Connect. And using datetime formatter, we have also received or collected or added the expected date of delivery in our workflow. Now at last, we just have to send all of this data to WhatsApp Cloud API to send the actual WhatsApp message. For that, we will scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button. And here in Choose App, we will search for WhatsApp Cloud API. Then in Action Event, we will select Send Template Message and click on Connect. Select Add New Connection. And here it is asking us the token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID of our WhatsApp Cloud API account. So guys, I have already created my own WhatsApp Cloud API account, but don't worry if you haven't created yet. We have a separate dedicated video on how you can set up your own WhatsApp Cloud API account and use it. And the link of that video will be in the description box below. So you can refer to that video and set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And after creating your WhatsApp Cloud API account, you will reach on the app dashboard page of your Cloud API account. And at this very page, we will find every details which is required to make the connection. Here we have the temporary access token, the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So just copy the phone number ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. Now after that, we will copy the WhatsApp business account ID from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And at last, we have to enter the token. And the help text below token says, enter system user generated permanent token as explained here. So basically the token which we get on the app dashboard page is a temporary access token, which means this token will expire every 24 hours. But don't worry guys, there is a way by which you can generate a permanent access token which will never expire. So in the help text below, you can see a hyperlink over here. Just click on it and it will redirect you to a page on our forum. And here at this very same page, you can find all the details regarding WhatsApp Cloud API. How you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account and how to generate permanent access token. So from this page, you will learn how to generate the permanent access token. And after generating the token, you just have to enter that very same token over here and click on save to make the connection. I have already made the connection, so I will click on select existing connection and click on save. So now we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking us template name. So you must be thinking, what are these templates? So templates are basically some predefined WhatsApp messages which we have already created inside our Cloud API account. So to avoid the spamming of messages on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template message inside our WhatsApp Cloud API account, and after that we have to get that template approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. And after the approval, we can use that very same template to send WhatsApp messages to our customer. And in the drop down below template name, you will find a long list of templates which I have already created in my Cloud API account. So let me show you. We will get back to the app dashboard page. We will scroll down and here in the step 2, we can see a hyperlink over here. Just click on it and it will take us to the WhatsApp message template page. And at this very same page, you will find all the templates which I have already created in my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And if you want to create your own template, by clicking on this create message template button, you can create your own message template according to your requirement. And we also have a dedicated separate video on template creation as well, which covers all the aspects on all the features of template message provided by WhatsApp Cloud API. So the link of that video will also be in the description box below. You can refer to that video and learn how you can create your template message. So the template which we will be using in this video is named as Woocommerce order. So let me show you the template first, guys. Just a second. And yes, this is the template. So this template is named as Woocommerce orders because this is the very same template which I use for the sending message to my Woocommerce customer as well. But don't worry, you can change the template name according to your choice in your create template section. So this template message says order confirmed, hello, and after hello you can see that there is a number in double curly braces. Now you must be thinking, what is this number? So basically the number which are added in double curly braces in this template message are some body fields, some variables. So guys, suppose after hello in this WhatsApp message, I want to send or I want to enter the name of the customer who made the purchase. But for every order, the name of the person will keep changing. So this variable, the body field which you have added in double curly braces, the number which you have added in double curly braces is basically a dynamic value of body field. So this thing, the text in place of this body fields, this variable will keep on changing for every sending message. So we can enter the name of the customer after hello. Then this message says, thank you for shopping with us. Your order for, and the product will also be keep changing for every new order. So we will enter the name of the product over here in this body field 2 in this variable 2. So your order for example, fly repellent fan is confirmed. We will deliver your package by this date. So we will add the expected date of delivery, the date of delivery which we have created in our workflow. That is after the 4 days of the order. We will enter that date over here. Once the order is shipped, we will get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping. And in place of this body field for this variable 4, we'll enter the name of our Shopify store, for example, as a branding. So guys, Woocommerce underscore order. Let's select this template message over here. So after that guys, the language code and template ID is automatically detected. We don't have to make any changes over here in the language code and template ID section. So we will directly move to recipient mobile number. Now here in this field of recipient mobile number, we have to actually enter the WhatsApp number of the customer who made the order. So guys, the response which we have received from Shopify in our trigger window, in that response, we have received the phone number or the WhatsApp number of the customer who placed the order. So guys, we'll map this very same number over here in this field. And the process of mapping is very simple guys. We just have to simply click here, and from the drop down below, we can see that all the responses which we have received from Shopify can be seen over here. And out of all these responses, we will select the response of phone number over here. So we have the response of customer phone number. This is the response. Just select it and the phone number is mapped. And the help text below it says, enter the recipient mobile number with country code without plus sign. So the response which we have received from Shopify is just of 10-digit mobile number. But we have to enter the country code as well, but without the plus sign. So I'll manually add the country code of India, that is 91. After that, it is asking us body field 1, body field 2, body field 3, body field 4. So basically all the four body fields which we have created in our template message in WhatsApp Cloud API. Just a second. And yes, here. So in this template message in body field 1 after hello, we wanted to add the name of the customer who made the purchase. So we'll get back to Pabbly Connect. And in the body field 1, we'll just click here, and from the drop down below, we will select the name of the customer. So the name of the customer was Devin. So yes, this is the billing name, Devin Parker. After that, in place of body field 2, we wanted to add the name of the product. So we'll get back to our workflow, click here, and from the responses of Shopify, we will search for the name of the product. Or should I say fly repellent pan. So this is the title of the product, and that is it. And after that, in body field 3, we wanted to add the expected date of delivery. So we have created the expected date of delivery using datetime formatter. So in the drop down below from the responses of datetime formatter, we will select this date. And in place of body field 4, we wanted to add the name of our Shopify store. So for example, I'll name a Shopify store as Pabbly. Okay. So basically all the fields, all the data is now mapped or entered over here. We just have to click on Save and Send Test Request. Now after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we have received a response over here, which seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that a WhatsApp message with our selected template is now sent on this number. So let's check the WhatsApp account of this number. And yes guys, here we can see that just now we have received a WhatsApp message which says order confirmed. Hello Devin Parker means name of the customer whose details we have entered while making the order at Shopify store. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order for fly repellent fan is confirmed. We will deliver your package by 3rd of July 2022. Once the order is shipped, we'll get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping, Pabbly team. So guys, we saw that the automation which we have created is working successfully. Now guys, we have successfully created an automation by which whenever we will receive a new order at our Shopify store, automatically the WhatsApp message of as a confirmation with an expected delivery date will be sent to that very same customer who placed the order. So let's just test this automation once again in real time. We'll get back to our Shopify store once again. And here we will order some other product. For example, I have a product as this LG camera. I'll just click it and buy this product. Buy it now. Let me enter the details of a new customer this time. Okay guys, so I have entered the details of a customer named as Ashirai. This is the email address, this is the address, and this is the phone number on which we will be sending the WhatsApp message. Now just click on continue to shopping, and then we will make a test payment over here once again. So test card details. And click on pay now. Now we will notice guys that as and when we place the order, automatically instantly a WhatsApp message with an expected delivery date is sent to this very same customer who placed the order. And yes guys, we can see that just now instantly we have received a WhatsApp message to the number of that very same customer. The message says order confirmed, hello Ashirai, means the name of the customer who placed the order. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order for LG camera is confirmed. So we have the same product name which we have ordered. We will deliver your package by 3rd of July 2022. So today, as I told you, is 29th of June. After 4 days, it will be 3rd of July and we have received an expected date of delivery. Once the order is shipped, we will get back to you with the tracking number. Sit back and relax while we have this delivered to you. Happy shopping, Pabbly. So guys, we have tested this automation in real time that this automation is working perfectly fine. Now let's just get back to Pabbly Connect and understand in brief that what are the steps we followed while setting up this automation. So at first, we created a workflow in our Pabbly Connect account, and here in trigger window, we selected Shopify, and new order was our trigger event. After that, using a webhook URL, we connected Shopify with Pabbly Connect. Then after that, we use datetime formatter to modify the current date and get an expected date of delivery. We took an example of 4 days. So we have received a date 4 days after the order date. And at last, we have sent all of these details, all of this data to WhatsApp Cloud API to send the WhatsApp message to the Shopify customer who placed an order. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of this very same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone this very same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.